fruit ninja. There you go. Now when I peel the orange, I'm gonna leave most of that white part on there because that's where your calcium, your iron, your fiber, all that good jazz. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's where you're gonna get your iron, your fiber, your calcium, all that good stuff for you. Now, like most blenders, they have sharp blades, right? So think about that knife cutting that orange, it goes right through it. Now I want you to think about a baseball bat hitting that orange. It's gonna splatter it, open up the seeds, the pulp, the fiber. You're gonna get all that nutrients. So if you think about 4 little baseball bats right there, because our blades are dull. They're not sharp, they're flat. They do have a point to them, but that's how they're gonna heat up for friction for soup. We have a soup setting on here. If you let it go 5 minutes and 45 seconds, right there, that soup setting. If you let it go 5 minutes and 45 seconds, it will get hot on its own because of that friction. Now, if you want, I want you to think about a jet Rolls-Royce engine. It spins about 36,000 RPMs. You know. Now, I want you to think about a Vitamix. That spins about 38,000 RPMs. So give or take, that's about 240 miles per hour. Pretty impressive. Now, we're gonna go ahead and put some of this banana in there. Oh yeah. And we're gonna get some pineapple for you. Oh yeah. Get a good chunk of it. Now, what do most people do with the pineapple right off the bat? With the core, they're gonna go ahead and throw that away, but we're gonna keep that in there because that's where you get your enzymes. That's where you get that good stuff for you. Oh yeah, we're gonna cut it down the middle and drop it in there and all. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't know if you got your greens today yet. We're gonna get you your greens. We're gonna turn you into Popeye. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna go ahead and give you some lime in there. Now what I do with the lime, I do about a silver dollar slice with the skin on and all. That really counteracts that. Spinach. And then we're gonna go ahead and do about a tablespoon of agave. Now you could use whatever kind of sweetener you'd like, honey, dates, whatever you'd like. Now, and then I got a cup of ice to get it cold. Now, give or take, about a cup. Hi there, how you doing? Now, normally I would use, if you're going to use frozen, I'd use a ratio of 60% frozen, 40% liquid. I'm not going to use any extra liquid because there's plenty of liquid in the orange and pineapple. I'm using fresh. There we go. Now, get this started here. All right. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to put it on the smoothie setting and let it go. Now it's going to start off slow and then rev up. Now as long as that lid's on, you're not going to hit the blades. As long as the lid's on. You want to make an ice cream?
Wow.
You put milk on? Yes, I would or frozen fruit. Yeah. I would. So I do like 3 to 4 cups of ice when I do that. I call it a sorbet.
Sorbet.
Yeah. All right, we got smoothie time for you. Now look how smooth that texture is each and every time. That's why 70 to 80% of your coffee shops, Jamba Juices, Dairy Queens, about 80 to 90% of your high-end chefs use them in restaurants. So you'll see them on the chef shows like Chef Gordon Ramsay all the time. Now, but the guy that trained me, his son's favorite thing to do is homemade mac and cheese sauce. So while it's getting hot because of that friction from the blades, you just pour it all over the noodles when it's done. Now, Vitamix is actually going on 102 years this year. Family owned out of Cleveland, Ohio. So when you're coming into Costco, you're saving $150 off retail plus an additional $50 off right now. Comes with the big container, the air disc container, the book, the tamper stick, and a 10 full year warranty. Now we cover parts, labor, and shipping both ways. Now, The best part about the machine is the cleanup. About 2 cups of water, 1 drop of soap, just rev it back up on high for 3 to 5 seconds and then just rinse it out. Or if you get something stuck in here, you're welcome. If you get something stuck in here like nut butter, hummus, salsa, you can go ahead and put this in the bottom of the dishwasher and the lid on the top rack and give it a thorough clean that way as well.
Oh, wow, nice.
Oh, yeah. You're welcome.
All
All
right.
right, then I just rinse it out.
That's it?
Dishes
Wow.
are done. Oh yeah, that's the best part of
You put some lemon also?
No, I did a little lime.